to score an AAR? What is an AAR? AAR is nothing but it is an All India rank holder. So are there any secrets really to become an AAR? Yes, there are. These are the open secrets that everybody know, but it is to those who follow it. Absolutely. So that is what we are going to see today. Right. Point number 1. It is that making the self notes. Maybe you are doing your own preparation without any coaching. Maybe you take up the coaching. Yes. So maybe it is a mixture of both. Right. But whoever you are preparing for your examination, kindly make the self notes. Let it be coaching, let it be self preparation. Please don't have the Xerox or don't have this printouts or don't have this PDF copies in your computer or your mobile. Okay, so put it into writing. Why? Because there are three major things for it. Number 1, if you make the notes, all the content that you are putting into writing will directly go to your head. Seriously. So that is how you remember. Suddenly I ask you, what is 2 into 2? Immediately you will remember that it is going to be 4. How? Because you have written it several times and it has become your memory. Likewise, whenever you want to memorize things, let it be a formula, let it be a graph, let it be anything, please write and see. Then only it will be into your brain. Right. So making the self notes is the first step to become an AAR. Right. Okay. So what about step 2? Right. So step 2, it is going to be the categorization of unit. As far as your CACR Net Life Science is considered, you have 13 units in total. Right. So you may not be a master of all 13 units. Right. But maybe 5 units you are very strong. 3 units you are little bit strong. The other 5 units maybe you are weak. No problem. Categorize the units. Whichever unit you feel it has to be too much easy, first finish it off. Yes, as early as possible. Don't wait, just finish it. Okay. Then the other tough unit, you just take it one, and the medium unit you take it one. These two you study simultaneously. One tough, one pretty easy, moderate. Okay, if you do that, it will be very easy for your memory to remember and build up the concepts. So categorization and learning the priority units. Always finish the easy ones first. Then you will get a boost or you will get a confidence that, okay, I am done with this 5 units. So maybe you could have done it in your PG or in your UG, your favorite unit, whatever it is. So categorize them easy, medium and hard and try to learn it. You will become a master. Okay, this is the very important thing. Focus. Be standard in your aim. Okay, so don't be wavering. One day morning you get up, you want to become a lecturer. One day morning you wake up, you want to go for industry. So you put these books away. You don't want to focus for CACR Net. So the next day you want to become a scientist. So you want to pursue your PhD. So you are increasing the expected cutoff value because for JRF you have more cutoff value. Please don't do that. Be focused. Before preparing only, yes, you just start sitting up with with your aim, right? So in our Tirukural there is a famous saying. So before you jump into something, think 100 times. Okay, but after jumping, don't change your thought. Yes. Okay, Enniya Karmam, we used to say that. That means once you decided you should do that, please go ahead with that. Don't change the focus. Later it will be highly devastating. So keep your focus on, don't jump between things. Everything will take time to come up. Okay, right. So a flower, it is not going to bloom on day 1. It takes a lot of time to come up, to form, and then only it is going to bloom. Okay, so wait till that day, till you are getting stronger in your concepts. Please keep waiting, keep preparing till you reach the focused goal. Right. Number 4, this is very important. Don't keep an unlimited time for practicing. Okay, so whenever you are taking any question, maximum don't think greater than 3 minutes. Make it as a practice from now only. Okay, so if you are not getting that question, that means that your concept is weak. So go back, learn the concept, and then come to try to solve the question again. Don't go this way, don't see the answers and then try to put it. Okay, so whenever you are practicing, please practice with time limit. So if you are taking 10 questions, for one question it is going to be 3 minutes. So 10 question maximum 30 minutes. If you are taking greater than that, it means that your concept is weak. Okay, so always practice that with the time limit. And before beginning all these things, you should decide which is the cutoff you aim for. Like I used to say, if at all you wish for 130 plus, 140 plus, yes, maybe a 90 plus, you want to just to pass your LS, not even JRF. Then you just think, and accordingly you need to set your preparation. Right. So this is also a very important point to think. Yeah, this is very, very important. So whenever you are having a much doubt, you feel that situation you cannot handle, be free, reach out to your mentor, and I am available there all time for you all only, right? So reach out me if you have doubts, queries, if you are demotivated, you don't have energy, you are fully stumbled. Don't keep waiting and don't waste your time. Immediately reach out to your mentor, not only me, maybe your nearest teacher, your nearest friend, whoever it is. If at all the problem is going out of your control, immediately reach out and find the solution. Don't break your head too much, right? Yes, this is a simple way. The next point is taking a quick decision of yes or no. Okay, while you are studying methods, maybe you come across this topic of NMR. Okay, so you are not able to you are not able to focus on the topic. You feel very bored on it. What you should do? Quickly skip it. Yes, you don't like it? Skip it. So after skipping it, what you should do? Take some more unit. Maybe you don't want to learn this this unit, animal physiology, in total. Okay, you are not interested in animal physiology. But since because you have left this topic from your methods, just study one topic which is very easy, very familiar to you from this left unit. Maybe out of 13 you choose 10 unit. Yes, out of the 3 units, maybe you find that phylogenetic tree is easy. Maybe you find that studying this CO2 curve, oxygen and the CO2 curve from animal physiology is easy. Maybe you don't want to study developmental biology, or you find that this cleavage and gastrulation is easy. Just take it that and take a quick decision. If you like, study. If you don't like, it is okay to skip the topic. Don't cling on to that topic. Quickly skip and go to the next one. That is a good decision and time saving efforts. Okay, and kindly make use of yourself familiar with the pattern of the examination. Okay, so this is going to save a lot of time for you in the examination. So get accustomed to it. What is that? You can either answer, you can mark for review. This you will get only by practice, right? So you should be very wise to choose which question you are going to answer, which question you are not going to answer, which question you can mark for review and answer later. Maybe you definitely don't have any idea, just skip the question and go. That is going to save a lot of time for you. Okay, so these are the pretty simple points everybody will know, but put it into action, you will be definitely become an AR one day. Yes, the next point is the most important point. Believe yourself. Seriously, if you are not believing in you, who else will believe you? Yes, so there is always pressure on everybody. Yes, if you are not clearing this time, your parents will ask what you have been doing this long time. Your friends will ask, like, what have you been doing so long? You didn't crack the exam yet? Everybody will ask you, right? So our society is like that. But first, if you believe that you can do, all these why can be easily answered. You can say them a very affirmative sentence. I will clear this time. Yes. So that is the confidence that you have to build yourself, and you have to tell others that you will rock. Definitely that will turn true soon. So believe yourself. Don't worry on what society is thinking on you. Yes. So worry on what you are thinking about yourself. So this believing yourself will not come in a day or two. If you are consistently working hard, seriously, all the ARs work 12 to 14 hours a day. If you are working like that, you can very boldly tell them, yes, it takes time for everything. Rome is not built in a day. So I will take my own time to become like this. Yes, getting this doctor is not an easy task, isn't it? For this, you have to toil, you have to suffer, you have to study, you have to do everything. Then only you will become. Yes? Good. So always set a reward for you. If you are going to win this, you're going to get stipend, you're going to do something, so set a very big reward that you are longing so far. So if you do that, you just set a reward, so towards that reward you'll be working and definitely you will grab it. So let's crack it with a rank, definitely. So pledge me that you will take with rank, not a simple pass off. Definitely I want everybody to get with a rank. Yes, let's crack it. All the very best. I'll meet you in another interesting session. Bye bye. Take care till we meet. It's Saranya signing off.